Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 of day 2. So we were at Shimla and in the last video you have seen that we went to Christchurch, and on the left hand side of Christchurch a path goes towards the Jaku temple, which was approximately 2 kilometers. And yes, here was a chart for the different age groups, that how much time it will be required, and how it can tell you about the fitness, right? You are absolutely fit or you need improvement. So let's see how much time we will take according to our age group. So okay, here we started our journey. सो एट द बैक साइड आपको जो फिटनेस टेलर वाला जो बोर्ड है वो दिख रहा था, एंड द जाकू टेम्पल डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो बेसिकली जाकू टेम्पल जाकू हिल पर है, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द हाइएस्ट पीक इन द शिमला, दैट इज़ 8050 feet at a height. And long way travel है, approximately means 2 kilometer है, but it takes 30 to 40 minutes very easily. But जो localite हैं, they say they can climb within 20 minutes. So this was all the way through the to the Jaku temple, stairway and the steep way. So in between a taxi stand came from where we can take the taxi, but from the left side to it, the way upwards towards the Jaku temple goes. So जो ये pictures हैं, it was on in between the way or the trail towards Jaku temple. Yeah, this was the time when we could see Hanumanji from the very near side. एंड यहाँ पे एक और कपल था, आपने वीडियोस में देखा होगा, दे वर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम कुरुक्षेत्र. एंड yes, now here the stairs started, and it was hardly like 100 meter, but it was really tiring. But we reached here at the Jaku temple main beautiful entrance at 9:34, and we started at 8:55 am, so it took about 40 minutes for us. So it was all fine because from our age group, like it was said, if you take up to 45 minutes you are fit. So we were happy that we are fit in that category. So this was all the way upward towards the Hanumanji, which is 108 feet long, that is 33 meters. And this was made or you can say unveiled in 2010 by the Shimla Municipal Corporation and government. So throughout this way you can read, आपको हनुमान चालीसा जो है वो लिखी हुई मिलेगी, एंड ऑल थ्रू द वे वी वर सेइंग जय श्री राम जय श्री राम. Yes, this was the first site I reached before. So my husband was coming, so I was making the video meanwhile, and that was the beautiful statue of Hanumanji. It was too height, and we were like Lilliputs in front of the building. You can see over here. So I think this one is north facing statue, and we had few photographs over here, and lot of people were coming here by taxi or by the way. So जो पूरा रास्ता था, that we traveled within 40 minutes. 40 minutes हमें लग गए थे ऊपर आने में from the Christchurch. एंड जो जाकू टेम्पल है, यस आई वॉज सेइंग कि हनुमान जी, इट वॉज इन द हिस्ट्री दैट जब श्री लक्ष्मण जी जो हैं वो बैटल फील्ड में विद द फाइट विद रावण जो था उधर वो मूर्छित हो गए थे, ही गॉट फेंटेड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हनुमान जी केम फॉर दी medicinal plant Sanjeevani booty. And while going back to the Lanka, he stopped here on the Jaku hill for some time, and this is all because of the footprint on the hill. So this is the main Jaku temple. You can see जो bells हैं, घंटियाँ हैं, वो हटा दी गई हैं because of the pandemic coronavirus precautions. So this was in the entrance. So सामने आपको जो है चरण पादुका जो हनुमान जी का है वो बनाया हुआ है. So this is the main Jaku temple which is at a height of 8000 feet. So it was very beautifully made. बहुत ही सुंदर इसमें जो स्कल्पचर्स थे वो बनाए हुए थे, as you can see in the video. Nearby uncle was there, from there we brought these few earrings stating Jai Shri Ram, and this was the very oldest canteen which dated back to 1966. So we had a few snacks over here, and ये जो है ये view था from the top hill, and one other temple was also visible on the other hill. So now we were planning for exit. Yes. So while coming back you can see चौपाई जो होती है हनुमान जी का जो चौपाई हैं वो लिखे हुए थे काफ़ी सारे, and this journey was very divine, it was quite good. और अगर आप जाना चाहते हो तो आपको क्रिस्ट चर्च से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फॉर नॉर्मल पीपल यू विल टेक 30 to 45 मिनट्स आपको लगेंगे, and very beautiful entrance as you can see over here. So thank you so much for watching, and in the next video we will be coming back towards home, and check out that video.